Now we are going to start topic 12.10, that is structure. Hydrocarbons are usually represented by their structure formula. The formula that shows that how many atoms of different elements are linked together in a molecule is known as its structural formula. For example, butane. Butane will tell us 4 carbons and 10 hydrogens, and they are linked with single covalent bond. So we will draw this structure like this. Carbon will be central atom, 4 carbons are there, and these 10 hydrogens. A molecule having bigger structural formula is often cumbersome. We represent it by abbreviated formula. Means this carbon having 1, 2, 3 hydrogens. So you can write here CH3. This carbon having 2 hydrogens. So you can write here CH2. And this carbon having 1 and 2 hydrogens, CH2. Then last carbon 1, 2, 3 hydrogens. So we will write here CH3. This is abbreviated formula of butane. A structure that shows only the linking of carbon atoms in a molecule is called carbon skeleton. Means simply you can write here C, 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 C. They are having single bond. Then rules of nomenclature of organic compound. First is selection of carbon chains. The longest chains of carbon atom known as parent chain, that should be selected. So as these 5 carbons are given, so you will give them numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and you will choose the longest chain. This is only straight chain, so simply you can start numbering from this side or from this side. But there are some particular rules, according to that only you have to give these serial numbers. As this longest chain having 5 carbons, so you will use here root word, that is pent. So see now this second example, longest chain need not to be straight. It's not compulsory that only straight chains should be given to you. They can be like this zigzag. So if you are giving the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, this will be the shortest chain. So if you are giving numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, this will be also shortest. So these 3 carbons are also attached with the 4th number. So we can give it numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now there are 7 carbon atoms. So this is the longest chain. And you will use here root word hept for 7 carbons. This carbon will be unnumbered. It will consider as a branch. You may call this carbon as substituent. You will not include it into this longest chain of carbon atoms. Then second, the branch chains are considered to be substituent and their position are indicated by the number of carbon atom to which they are attached. As there are 7 carbon atoms, so you will give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you will start numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then this group, methyl group, will have 5th number. If you are starting numbers from this side left to right, then it will have 3rd position. So you will call it 3. At 3rd carbon, methyl is attached. So you will call it 3-methyl. How many total carbons? 7. So hept word will be used. 3-methyl, hept. They are having only single bond. So ane, heptane. Its real name will be 3-methyl heptane. And keep one thing in your mind, that whatever functional group or substituent is attached in the longest chain, that should be contain only lesser number, not larger number. You can also give it name 5-methyl heptane, but that will be wrong because 3 number is the lesser number. So this is correct, 3-methyl heptane. Now they have explained about it. Number 3, carbon atoms of longest chain are numbered in such a way that the alkyl group substituents get the smallest position number. So they have written first 5 carbons are given. This methyl is attached at 2 number. If you are giving the numbering from left to right, if right to left you are giving the numbers, then it will have fourth position. So its answer is 2-methyl. This answer is 4-methyl. As this is the smallest number, so it will be correct and it will be wrong. Number 4. Position or positions of alkyl groups are indicated by writing the position and name of the alkyl group just before the name of the parent hydrocarbon. Parent hydrocarbon means how many total carbon chains you are selecting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first you will write hept, then all are having single bond, you will write here ane, heptane, and whatever these are attached, substituents or functional group, you will write their name before this hydrocarbon. So at third, CH2 CH3 is attached. You can combine C2 3 and 2 5, C2H5. This is ethyl. Ethyl is attached as third number, so you will give name 3-ethyl heptane. Its second method is also shown. You can write this zigzag chain into simple straight chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this C2H5 ethyl is attached at third number, so you can represent it at third number. C2H3. Now you can give the name 3-ethyl heptane. Then if multiple alkyl groups are labeled with Greek numerical prefixes such as di for 2, tri for 3, tetra for 4, penta for 5. Now see here. You will select this longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there, so you will use here but. Single bonds, ane, and at second number this methyl, and this methyl is also attached. So here I have written that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there, so you will use here word but. All are single bond, ane. At second number 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write 2-methyl. Again at second number one more methyl is there, so you will write here comma 2-methyl. So commonly we will write 1 and 1. 2 methyls are there, so you will write here dimethyl butane. This 2 and 2 we will write as it is. 2, 2 hyphen should be there. 2 dimethyl butane. Now see here, if two different substituents are given, see here at second number methyl is given, also ethyl is given at second number. They are attached with the second carbon. So we will write here 2-methyl 2-ethyl butane. Then you will not use word di or tri because both are different. Sixth point, in case any functional group is present in the chain, then the carbon atoms are numbered in such a way that the functional group gets the smallest possible number. So this chain is given 5 carbons, pentane, single bond ane, then OH is attached, alcohol, that is attached at second number. If you will start from this side, then it will get second carbon, otherwise it will get fourth carbon. If you are starting from left to right, then this will be wrong, only this will be correct. Now see here in box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons are given. But you will not select this long chain because OH is attached with this CH2. So you will start numbering from here. If you are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be smallest. If you are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this chain will be longest. So you will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. And this C2H5, it is attached with second carbon. Now you will give name 2-ethyl, 5 carbons, pent, single bonds, ane, and ol for this OH, means for this alcohol group. So it is attached at first number, so E will be reduced hyphen 1 at, it was at first position, 1 ol. Then note, in nomenclature E of alkane is replaced by suffix of functional group indicating the position, means E we will reduce by the positions. Then seventh, in case different types of substituents are attached to the chain, they are arranged and named alphabetically. For example, chloro is also attached at fourth number, bromo is also attached at second number. But you will write bromo first, because in A, B, C, B comes first before C. So alphabetically we will give it name 2 bromo, 4 chloro, and total 6 carbons are there. So hex, single bonds, ane, hexane. Now see, some examples are given. First give the numbers 1, 2, 3 carbons. At second number methyl is attached, so word root is 3 carbons prop, suffix is single bond ane, and at second number methyl is attached, so its name will be 2-methyl propane. Then second, 2 times methyl is attached, so you will give it number 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. From both sides you can give. Both methyl will get only second and third position, so you will give name 2, 3, 2 times methyl, so dimethyl, and 4 carbons, but, single bonds, ane. Third example, 5 carbons, pent, single bonds, ane, third number methyl is attached, so 3-methyl pentane. Similarly in fourth, 3-methyl hexane, 2, 3, 2 times methyl is given, dimethyl heptane. Total 7 carbons are there. And here 3, 3, because both methyls are attached with the third carbon. So 3, 3 dimethyl hexane. Then in seventh, if you are giving numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbons. This side also 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbons. So you can give number from either side. But if you will write here 3, that will be wrong. 4 carbons but at second number, from 2 and 3, this 2 is lesser. So you will take here only 2, number 2. But 2 double bond ene. If you will write here 3, 2 or 3, both will be wrong. You have to select only lesser one. Then see the next. You will start from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because this ene double bond, it should have lesser number. If you will start from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, then it will have 3. If you are starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, so lesser number will be 2. So we will start numbering from this side. So we will write here first of all 3-methyl, 5 carbons, pent, at second number ene. Now see the ninth example. First you can write CH3, single bond C, triple bond again C, and last C, 1, 2, 3 hydrogens. So now total 4 hydrogens, so you will write here but, and 1, 2, 3, 4 at second number ine, triple bond is there, so but 2 ine. Whenever beta ene or ine are there, you will not use here ane, pentane you will not use here. For single bond only we are using ane, double bond ene. If triple bond is given, then ine. Don't think that these are single bonds, so we have to give here name ane also. We will write the higher degree of covalent bond only. Here at second number, triple bond is there between second and third. So second is the lesser, 2 pent, 5 carbons, pent 2 ine. Now in 11th, first you will write this is CH3, then C, having double bond O means this is ketone group, and CH3. So 3 carbons, prop, single bonds, propane. E will be reduced because this ketone group is attached. Don't write here ene because single, double, triple bond all should be between carbon and carbon. Here for ine we have used ine. Triple bond was between both carbon. Here also we have used ene. Double bond was between both carbons. So don't think that we should again use here ene. That will be wrong because double bond O is ketone group. So you will use here suffix -one and it is at second carbon. So propane 2-one and its common name is acetone. Again similar example is given. There are 5 carbons. You will give numbering from here because this O ketone, it should get lesser number. So at 5th chloro is written, at 5th number, 5th carbon, 5 chloro, total 5 carbons, pent, all having single bond, ane, then E suffix will be reduced with ketone group. Ketone group, this double bond O is at second position, so we will write here 2-one. Keep one thing in mind, this is functional group and this is substituent. So name of the substituent should be written at first, then hydrocarbon, then at last we will write this functional group. Now see 13th example. OH group is attached, so you will start numbering from this side 1, 2, 3. At second methyl group is attached means substituent 2-methyl, total 3 carbons, prop, single bonds, ane, but at first number alcohol group is attached OH. So for this we will write here ol and it is attached with first carbon, so E will be reduced of propane. 14th example is similar. 3-methyl, 4 carbons, but, single bonds, ane. E will be reduced with 1 ol because with 1 first carbon OH is attached. Now see here. In 15th, methyl given, ethyl given and alcohol all are given, but we will start numbering from functional group because functional group it will get here 1 number. If you are starting from here it will get 5th number, so lesser number should be given to functional group OH. So ethyl and methyl, E comes first in alphabetically. We will start 2-ethyl, 4-methyl, then 5 carbons, pent, single bond, ane, and ol is also there, so E will be reduced with 1 ol with its position. Then 16th, 4 carbons, but, this is functional group. Oic acid, it is attached with the first carbon, so butane 1 oic acid. And next, total 2 carbons, eth, single bond, ane, at first number chloro, again at first number chloro. So you will write here 1 chloro, 1 chloro means 1 dichloro. Then at second number 2 chloro, 2 chloro, 2 dichloro. Now di plus di means total 4 chloro are there, chlorines. So we will use here word tetrachloro. 1, 1, 2, 2 hyphen tetrachloroethane. Now these rules are given. How to write structure formula from IUPAC name. See here, whenever structure will be asked, then first of all you will choose the hydrocarbon. Pent means 5 carbons should be there. Then you will give number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At second number ene means double bond will be there. So we will make here double bond between 2 and 3 because we know 2 will be lesser number. Then we will attach the substituents. Substituents are 2 bromo at second number, bromine, and 4 methyl at fourth number. Methyl group should be there. These are the rules how to write the structure formula from its IUPAC name.